Do you want to start lucid dreaming, but you don't know how or where to start? Do you even know what you will have to do to get a lucid dream? This video will go over all of the topics of lucid dreaming, and some timestamps are on the screen right now for different subjects I'm going to talk about. But if you're a complete beginner, I recommend watching all of the steps since they all improve your chances of having a lucid dream drastically. Check this video out on the screen right now if you don't even know what lucid dreaming is. And without further ado, let's start. First off, you're going to have to get dreams before even getting lucid dreams, obviously. If you think you don't have dreams, this isn't true. This is just a hoax. Everyone thinks they don't have dreams if they don't remember any dreams. But it's just that you not have dreams doesn't mean you don't have them, because everyone has multiple dreams every night, but sometimes you just don't remember them. To start remembering your dreams better, you have to keep this thing called a dream journal. A dream journal is simply a notebook or something like that where you write down all of your dreams right after you wake up. This will not only allow you to not forget about your dream you just had, it will be printed in your mind, but it will also train your ability to remember other dreams and have longer and more realistic dreams, which just improves the experiences so much more. If you had no dreams at all one night, just write down, I had no dreams tonight, and this will send a signal to your brain that next time it has to try to remember a dream you just had. A dream journal is one of the essential things for lucid dreaming. Do not try to do lucid dreaming without this, because in the beginning I made the mistake of trying to do that and it did not work. It will allow you to have more dreams, which give you more chances for lucid dreams, and it will make all the dreams feel much more realistic, which makes the whole experience just so much more amazing, and it already is very amazing. So this is definitely a must do. The second thing you're gonna have to do is performing reality checks. By performing reality checks, you're literally checking if what you're in, what you see right now, is a reality or a dream by performing a simple action. By doing these regularly, you will eventually do one in a dream and you will become lucid and be able to control your own world. I recommend performing more than one reality check to make sure that you're really not in a dream. And also, when you do a reality check, make sure to really focus on what you're doing, because that way you can really get it into your system and you will eventually do one in a dream. The three reality checks that work the best for me, and probably for most people, are the three following. The first one is, I simply look at my hand. In a dream, your hand will most of the time be blurry or will have a sixth finger, or there'll be something weird about it, and that's how you know you're in a dream. In the second one, I clog my nose and then I try to breathe through it. In a dream, you will be able to still breathe through your nose even after you put something in it or clogged it, because clogging your nose in a dream doesn't work. Don't ask me why, it just doesn't. The third one is pushing my finger from one hand through the palm of the other hand. In a dream, your finger will go straight through your hand's palm, because you don't have a physical body in a dream. When doing these reality checks, you have to really believe that what you're in right now could be a dream. So try to take a really deep breath, and when you fully inhaled, immediately do the reality check, and that way you're gonna have the most chance that it's gonna work if you're actually in a dream. So the easiest lucid dreaming method ever to do right now for a beginner is called DILD, and it stands for Dream Induced Lucid Dreaming. DILD is literally where you notice something a bit off in your dream, and there's normally a lot of things which are a bit off, and when you're aware enough, you'll notice these very easily, and you'll do a reality check and you will become lucid. When you're lucid, don't get disappointed when you wake up right away, because it's normal for a person to get excited. It's your first lucid dream and it's really exciting, and your heartbeat might raise a bit when you get excited, and because your heartbeat raises, you wake up. But even if you wake up, you had a lucid dream, and the art of lucid dreaming is not becoming lucid, it's staying in the lucid dream and being able to control it. That's probably the hardest part about it. But now that you know how to get into a lucid dream, you can start practicing staying in it and controlling it. Just a little tip, try rubbing your hands when you're in your dream. That normally stabilizes the dream and makes it fade away a lot less easy. And the chance of you having a lucid dream tonight now is probably really high, since you're probably excited about it now and it's on your mind the entire time. And if you don't get a lucid dream tonight, don't be disappointed, because you can try again the day after. You can lucid dream every night. I do it almost every night. The next video, a way to manually induce a lucid dream, and it's also one of the easiest ways to manually do it. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell to get notified when that video gets uploaded. And with all that said, I hope you guys all have amazing lucid dreams, and I will see you guys next week. And sweet dreams, and see you later.